Chili's top store. We're not allowed to go on YouTube. Let's go again.
2.
Smile Bear has invented grammar school.
This is the weather report, and it's going to be very hot this month.
Hi, my name is Owen, and I'm going to tell you something really bad. There's a bad illness in Mrs. Diaz's room. It's called the Jiggly Wigglies, and if you get the Jiggly Wigglies, you can't do work.